before we start the video, this is the last video I'm making until you can see I lost the tooth. I still haven't gained the dang money. So let's play. Wow. Probably see. This is a no-name fan. I don't know what's here. Let's turn it on. You can't hear the noise. There's a magical guy. Whatever. Yeah. I got this fan. Fan here. I'm not doing it on high.
Landon, have you seen a Land Rover anywhere?
No.
Alright, bye.
That's the fan. Well, previously we have another fan, but I don't have a power strip. So we're gonna have to turn them on both. It's a stupid TV tray. Ow. Brothers. Don't have names. Let's unplug them. We need a power strip. Dang it. Power, dang it. Here's the low speed. It took a little while, so let's get going. Get in here. Well, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oop, dude. Do what? Fan? Dude, I'll get it. Come on. Just stop. Dude, again. I don't see it. This is polar air, though. This is polar air. Polar air. Hey guys, fan's turned off. Oh yeah. What's going on? What is plug this boy too. Who's the big boy? It's the big boy here. It's the big boy. These two fans. So these two fans are the best. Ever, ever, ever. I can see you. Oh yeah, we're looking at you. Because you want to keep it a video of this. Because we're doing it. Yes. Looking at you today right here. Yeah, we're going to stop now.
Hey, babe, you got your shoes on?
Yep.